is a 2019 Grey Wolf Limited. This is a 26D bunk house. So you got your pass-through storage. You got a nice power awning. You have a door to your bathroom. Here's your main door. This little cubby has a fridge. There's your 26 DBH. There's your fridge. There's a little cook stove under here. You got your outdoor marine grade speakers. This is your door to your bathroom. Okay, we've got a little cargo carrier back here. It's prepped for backup. We got one nice slide. There's some storage under there. Here's all your power, water, sewer. You got an outdoor shower. We got another bin here. Manual stabilizers. This is storage under there. You pass through here. So we got GVWR fully loaded 7799. We got a power jack. Here's your entertainment center. You got a little fireplace. That's a jackknife sofa. Horseshoe dinette makes a bed. We got the lower and upper double bunk. Here's your nice little washroom with a shower, little tub. Hello, it's Tanya, 250-886-6589. If you're interested in a motor home, trailer, call Tanya. So this one needs a mattress. There's a spot for your shoes there. You got your USB ports on the side. You got little lights. We have wardrobes on either side. This unit's nice and clean. They just used it a few times. You got your nice barn doors here. There's all your power awning, your slides. You got a nice residential faucet. Nice sink. What do we got here? We got a two-way fridge. So yeah, if you're looking for a bunk house, give me a call, 250-886-6589. Thanks for watching.